Hi, my name is Warren Pavilion, a strong network marketer in AIM Global from Philippines. AIM Global. Our AIM Global is a top LM company in the choice of action to success. Biggest, boldest, and brightest. Nigerian Global Package. Our Nigerian Global Package is worth 70,000 Naira and we have Associate Global Package worth 38,000 Naira. This is our global package of 70,000 Naira and this is our Associate Global Package 38,000 Naira. The value of money you invest in global is you have a product, number 2 you have a business scheme, number 3 you have an ATM, number 4 you have a daily stream which you monitor your income, you have a paid trading in our branches in global Nigeria, and you have a business global package, multi-marketing plan enabled in AIM Global, and so forth. How to earn in AIM Global? First is retailing. You enjoy the 25 to 30% profit sharing, profit retailing. Amazing, right? And second is direct sponsoring. Every person invited to your group, you will earn 5,000 Naira per global package and every single day. Example, this is you. You invited a friend, you invited a friend, you will earn every person 5,000 Naira. Wow, amazing. And the third is month sales bonus. Our month sales bonus. If you have a friend on the right side, you have a friend on the left side, if detect in the computer that you have two people, you will earn 9,600 Naira. And this is your gross income week, day, week, month. Wow. Our final report is 1,000 points. And this is our following earning, how to earn. First is Matchers bonus. Matchers bonus, if you have people in the left side, this is called Brady, you will earn 5,000 Naira as direct return. If you have people in the right side, Brain B, you will earn 5,000 Naira. 5,000 Naira as direct return. And aside of that, you will earn 9,600 Naira as Matchers bonus. The total of earning is 19,600. Just two people. And the Brain A, the group is will be, and the Brain B, the group is will be. You will experience 9,600 Naira, 9,600. So the total of 38,800 Naira. The group will big also. So you will enjoy the every match 9,600 Naira. Wow. Our system earning is 4,000 Naira every single month. And our distributor 16 months, every distributor 16 months per day. 8 months sales per cycle, 2 cycles per day. We have a travel incentives points. Every 5th month sales, we have a travel. Wow, amazing. Our 6th ways to earn is successful. Second is direct bonus. Third is match sales bonus. Fourth is renewables sales bonus. And 5 is overriding commission. And 6 is realty commission. Every people is allowed to buy multiple accounts like 3 accounts package and 7 accounts global package. Boost your earnings